Viewers, in today's video, I'm going to review Credit Strong Revolv. So let's get started. Credit Strong Revolv is a platform that provides you trusted, quick application, low payments, free monthly credit score. So let's see its features. It establishes a revolving line of credit on your report, which is crucial for building a healthy credit mix. Applying for the service does not involve a hard pull on your credit report. The plan is designed to help lower your credit utilization by reporting a credit line which can positively impact your scores. You do not receive the credit line funds upfront. Instead, any monthly payment you make are deposited into a saving account which you can access when you choose the account minus fee. Now, on-time payments are reported to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion monthly. That is a plus point. Now, let's talk about the fee plan. The Revolve plan involves an annual fee ranging from $99 to $49 depending on the plan, but generally has no interest rate on the health funds, which makes it attractive. Now, let's compare the pros and cons. The pro points are build credits, add to credit mix, FDIC insurance, and transparency. Many users reported positive results in building and rebuilding their credit score in history. It is a useful tool if you lack revolving credit accounts on your report. Now let's move on to cons. The service has low rating on platforms like Trustpilot, which makes it a low. Now, the annual fee can be seen as a drawback, especially compared to some alternative with no fee. It's not a quick fix, the process takes time and consistency, for which you need some patience. Missing a payment can still significantly harm your score as it is reported to the credit bureaus after a 14-day grace period. It's all about Credit Strong. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this guide helpful.